Ready to unleash your creativity on the go? Let's dive into adding more devices to your Adobe Creative Cloud account, so you can work wherever inspiration strikes. First, open the Adobe Creative Cloud desktop app if you have not already done so. In the top right corner, you'll see the account icon. Click this icon, then click on Account from the drop-down menu. This will redirect you. This takes you to the Adobe website where you'll log in. Once you have successfully logged in, navigate to your account overview in the left menu. Click on Plans. Here, you will scroll down and you will see Manage Plan. Select Manage Plan. Now, look for the Activated Devices section. This is where you'll see the devices currently using your Adobe Creative Cloud subscription. Pay close attention to the wording here. If your plan allows for multiple devices, you should see an option to activate additional devices. The exact wording depends on your plan. If you've reached your device limit, you may see an option to deactivate a device. To free up a slot, choose the device to deactivate if you no longer need it. Once you've freed up a slot or activated a new device, the next time you launch an Adobe app on that device, you should be good to go. Now go create.